Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be doing something a little different. As Doug mentioned in the last video, most of our videos this December is going to be Christmas treats, cookies, candies. So today we're going to be making chocolate covered cherries. I got this recipe from Moss Family. Fallon made these last year, and I think she's made some this year too. And they are really good. We made some last year. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 30 maraschino cherries, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 pound of candy coating. We're going to use milk chocolate chips and coconut oil, and 3 tablespoons of butter softened. First off, we're going to take the cherries and put them on a paper towel and let them drain on a paper towel for about 30 minutes. And we'll set them aside. Then in a mixer, I'm going to put the softened butter and corn syrup, and I'm going to cream that together. Now I'm going to add in the powdered sugar a little bit at a time. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of the cherry juice and the maraschino cherries to give it a color and to give it a little bit of flavor. Now I'm going to set this in the fridge and let it chill for 30 minutes. Now the filling has chilled for 30 minutes. I'm going to take about a teaspoon of filling and then wrap it around, sort of flatten it out and wrap it around the cherries. And just make sure you get them covered completely. Now I'm going to refrigerate these for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to melt the chocolate. I'm going to put these in the microwave with a couple tablespoons of coconut oil at 30-second intervals, and make sure you stir real good each time, because it looks like it's not melted, but it's really starting to melt. Just don't burn your chocolate. Now I'm going to dip the cherries into the chocolate. I'm using a fork where the rest of the chocolate will drip off. Then I'm just going to put them down on the plate, or you can do parchment paper. Then you'll want to refrigerate these until they're nice and set up, and then enjoy. And there you have it, chocolate covered cherries. if you can let these set for a few days, the liquidy center will, be in there, but we never could let them set that long. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
The snow is falling soft and light. The fire's burning warm and bright. The goats are tucked inside the barn, protected safe from winter's harm. The time we take to share it all with folks like you, and everything we love to do. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans Homestead, where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. From garden rows to kitchen stoves, and all the paths the tractor rows, you tune in daily, week by week, for every lesson that we speak. May your holiday be sweet and slow, wrapped up in ribbons, tied with a bow, remembering all the blessings found when Christmas cheer is all around. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening. From the Holmans Homestead, where the Christmas lights are glistening, we appreciate every like and every share. We wish you joy and peace and hope beyond compare. Merry Christmas to you, and a Happy New Year too, from all of us here at Holmans Homestead. God bless you.